so what we've got here is the ability to create three-dimensional workbooks using multiple sheets. So here's what we do is we add another two sheets. In this case, I'm going to add sheet 2 and I'm going to add sheet 3. I'm going to rename the sheets, and here's a hint. Don't use spaces in your renaming. So I'm going to call this John, and I'm going to call this Jenny, and I'm going to call this consolidation. So many people put all these data sets onto one sheet, but it's better to use all three. So what you do now is you select all by holding your Shift key and clicking on the final one. That turns all of them white. So what you do now is you put what is common in to all three sheets. So we're going to be selling nuts, bolts, and screws in 3 regions here in the Johannesburg area. And let's see, nuts, bolts, and screws. Okay, now remember, everything is being added to the 3 sheets. All right. And we'll put a total down here as well. Let's put a total down here. So I'm going to do a bit of formatting as well here. Okay, using my control key to use a non-contiguous selection. To create a non-contiguous selection, let's make that blue and make the text white. All right, and then I'm going to be putting a formula down here. So let's put the formula down here. And I'm happy to add those 3. Click the green tick, autofill, across, and let's put a border around the side. So at this point, I have done everything that is common to all 3 sheets. Actually, no, not quite. I'm going to be putting in a currency here. There we go, currency format. Now I've done everything that is common. So now I'm going to deselect. So I can click on one of them, or I can right click and choose ungroup sheets. Okay, all right. So I'm going to John over here, and I'm going to enter data for John very quickly by pre-selecting my area. Type, enter, 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 type, enter. Okay, let's go to Jenny and put her data in. Okay. Type, enter. Oh dear, did I do the wrong thing with the calculations? All right, I got a mistake there, so I'll just go through there again and just put that in. Let's just go back here and check out that I did the right thing over here. No, everything is fine. Consolidation is easy, so we go equals sum and open our brackets. John colon Jenny exclamation point B2. That's the formula, right? It adds all 2 sheets, or in this case. I can autofill down, but I can't autofill diagonally. I've got to wait and then I'll autofill across. Okay, done. If you get the hashes, obviously it's not wide enough, so you can widen by double clicking between the 2 columns. All right. What are the hints? The hints are: do not put a space in the name of your sheet. Don't put a space. I'm going to change the tab color of the sheet there. Let's make that one red and let's make this one blue. Okay. Why? Because if you put in a space there, it does mess around with this particular formula. Okay, got that? All right, what else do we need to do? All right, I see we've got a small formatting issue there on the right-hand side over here, or is it just not wide enough? No, it's not wide enough. No, there's a problem, but that's no hassle. So that's how we do 3-dimensional calculations manually. One can do it automatically as well.